Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Loop. So I guess I have a mini haul, but it's not really. Don't look. Okay, so yeah, I know what this one is and this one is, but I kind of know what this one is, but I'm not too sure. I'll go with this one. I actually misplaced my X-Acto knife, so that's a little scary. So I have scissors. Oh my god. Oh, these are cute. So I got some washi tape. These are BTS ones, I think. Yeah. Oh. Get off of me. Okay, look like this. Let me see if I can find. Here it is. I got these on eBay. If you're wondering. Okay. There's RM, VV, JUNGKOOK, Suga, J-Hope, Jin, then Jimin, and then they're Japanese. And wow, they're all different. Never mind, let's just put this back. Okay, so that's basically how some of it looks. Oh my. Okay, can't wait to use this though. And then I have a pt.1. This is so adorable. This is super cute. You can see Van. Come on. Okay, there you go. Then there's Koya, Tay, Shuki, Chimi, RJ. Aww. Oh, this is super cute. I love it. This is so cute. And then I have a strap. I wanted to use this for my army bomb. That's what it looks like. There you go. Van RJ. There's Main, Koya, Shuki, Chimi, Tata, and then Cookie. Yep, there you go. Let me see if it works on the army bomb. Oop, it fits. I got two now. The more protection, I guess. I'm just gonna set that aside. And then we have, oops, oh my god. Okay. Then I have this one. It's like a pop thing. Yeah. RJ, because, you know, this is super cute. How do you, is this a sticker? Yeah, this is a sticker. So this is RJ. Is it? I'm a little confused. How do you... Let me get my phone. So here's my phone. Maybe you could go like... Okay, let's put that on. It's a one-time thing. We're gonna... Is this a good... Maybe up here? Okay, I think that's a good area. Yeah, we're gonna go with it. This is so cute though. 여보세요? It's really sturdy too. Yep. And then we have this one. This is my slogan. I bought another one. Well, I bought this one before the other one, but this one was coming from Asia. So, you know. Okay. Oh, oh! I got a freebie. This is a cute bag. And then I'll show you the freebie. This is super cute. It's a card and a sticker. That's so cute. Let me take it out because I want to see it. Oh yeah. Ooh, the sticker. I'll put it on my Polaroid. Can you see that? There you go. Mario. And then here's the photo card. It's really pretty. I always wanted like a clear transparent one. So that's very cool. And then here's the actual slogan. I wonder if this... No, probably not. Okay. Suk Jin Ni. Suk Jin Ni. There's a heart. And then it's this one. I love this one. It's so cute. It's Mario and then the star and then it's him. Oh my god. I fell in love with this one and I had to get it. So I got it. Okay. Let me like display my stuff so I can take a thumbnail in a bit. You can't really see that. Okay. Next one. Oh my god, if you hear my mom, please excuse her. This is from Amazon. Oh my god, they came. My albums. What version is this? F? Oh my god, I wanted F. Is this, what is this? What is this? F. Oh my god, they gave me 2 F albums. Oh my god. I thought these were coming in tomorrow. If you hear my sister, she's home too and she's being weird. Oh my god. Thumbnail. Oh my, everyone's home, so it's really loud now. I'll do a separate unboxing for these two. Okay, oh my god, I gotta end it.